Sikkim is a heavenly place resting in the foots of Himalayas. It is home to culture, art, and spirituality. It has beautiful places for sightseeing and has truly magnificent sceneries. Being a hill state, it is remote and has been lacking technological advancements. Fortunately enough, the government has been making rapid advancement in the field of IT and has made exceptional achievements.
The government has laid emphasis on involving the telecom infrastructure of the state and has introduced a state-wide area network that makes the internet easily accessible and affordable to all the people in the state.
The government has taken significant steps to become part of NEGP and has introduced e-governance with which people can avail government services through internet at their doorsteps. Now people can also get information about the government services through the state portal.
Sikkim has presented a model of cyber village and has been fairly successful and has become the first successful cyber village in India. The Department of IT had implemented this great plan helping the rural people of India to connect.
Sikkim is a hilly region, that is why the agricultural land are small but many. This has resulted in difficulty for the agricultural produce to be collected and the plan for organic farming to be obstructed. This was solved through the use of ICT tools to coordinate with the farmers, and now the state has become a 100% organic farming state.
The government has taken many steps, but most of the people in Sikkim were unskilled in the field of IT. In order to bridge this digital divide, Department of IT has also conducted various capacity building programs for government employees in basic computer training, advanced training and skill enhancement training sessions. Besides, IT has also been introduced into the school curriculum, and now the people of Sikkim have adequate knowledge to make use of IT tools.